At the beginning of each new year, many people strive for change and achievements, but few truly understand the best way to achieve an extraordinary life. The secret lies in adopting specific principles and working on them diligently. Here is a detailed guide to turning this year into a launchpad for success and fulfillment. Yet, ideas are the foundation of everything. Every great achievement starts with a simple idea. Ideas are the seeds that grow into projects, goals, and accomplishments. Therefore, it's crucial to monitor the quality of your thoughts. If you're struggling with negativity or distractions, start shifting your mindset toward positivity. Ask yourself, what do I truly want to achieve? How can I turn my thoughts into actions? Control your thoughts and surroundings. Our ideas are often influenced by the environment we live in and the people we spend time with. To become more aware of your thoughts, focus on your surroundings and make them supportive. Create a positive and motivating personal space. Choose friends and colleagues who share your goals and ambitions. Remember, the people around you can either inspire you or hinder your progress. Set clear goals. Vague goals do not lead to tangible results. Write your goals clearly and specifically. What exactly do you want to achieve? Why do you want to achieve it? What practical steps will help you get there? Writing down your goals provides strong motivation and helps you track your progress. Focus is the key. With the many challenges and distractions in our daily lives, focus becomes one of the most critical factors for success. Concentrate on what you can change and work on it instead of wasting energy on uncontrollable matters. Choose one task and master it before moving on to the next. Desire drives action. A strong desire is the primary motivator for achieving goals. However, general desires like, I want to improve my life, are not enough. Ask yourself, what exactly do I want? How can I turn my desire into an actionable plan? Clear desires make decision-making and plan execution more straightforward and effective. Start small and stay consistent. Avoid beginning with large and complex goals, as this might lead to quick frustration. Instead, break your goals into small, achievable steps. Celebrate each step, no matter how simple it may seem. This approach builds self-confidence and ensures consistent progress. Evaluate progress and learn from mistakes. Regularly allocate time to review your performance. Ask yourself, am I making progress toward my goals? What mistakes have I made, and how can I learn from them? Continuous evaluation helps you refine your plans and achieve better results. The importance of commitment and patience. Success does not happen overnight. Stay committed to your plans and keep working even when facing difficulties. Remember, patience and perseverance are the keys to achieving any goal. You can make the new year exceptional if you focus on improving your mindset, setting clear goals, working diligently, and regularly reviewing your progress. These principles are not just advice, but practical tools that can transform your life if you commit to them. Make this year a genuine opportunity for change, and start today with small, conscious steps to achieve your dreams. Do you have a clear plan for your new year? If not, start now and turn your goals into action.